Dr. Hank, this is wonderful. I'm sure we could go out for hours and hours. I myself have benefited greatly from this conversation. Please tell me a little bit more and our listeners as well, how to get in touch with you and your programs, how to go about signing up for a workshop, seminar.
Yeah.
Just tell us a little bit more.
Sure, you bet. Sure, you bet. The easiest way, and I think I'm the only guy, everybody's always surprised, but, give me a call. Text me. My number is 214-753-7204. And, a lot of people say, oh, he's independently wealthy or he's busy. I'm not busy at all because I don't ask for busy. I have plenty of time. I have plenty of money. And that's because I have asked for it. So give me a call, 214-753-7204. If you want to dig a little bit, my website is drhank, Hank, and then sites, S as in Sam, EITZ.com, or go to Amazon, my books. And so my programs are in the on the website. But I'd like to talk to you. Let me know what's going on. And don't use resistant thoughts like, oh, he's too expensive. Everybody that I work with and that I help, that they make at least 400% more, so 4 times their money more than what they ever invested. That, you're thinking on the unwanted side, oh, how much is it? No. What's the investment? What's my return? And most get at least 1,000% return on investment. And so that's the easiest way. I have you're invited to do the Master Heart Fit. And again, text me and say, hey, Mondays at 12 o'clock Central, at noon, that we do the Master Heart Fit. Join us. You'll hear about the miracles people have, that we're open. We've let down our guards of our heart. We've dismissed them. We've taken the chains off and the locks off of our heart, and we've just opened that up. And we're all here, wanting to help each other, love each other, all want the same basic things, all happy, healthy, wealthy life. And so that's a great way to do it. Call me, email me, real easy one, drhank@drhank.biz, B-I-Z. So, but get in communication with me, and, let's talk, see what you want to be, do, and have. My passion, Pedro, and everybody out there, is to help others become their greatest possibility. And I can do that with anyone and everyone, no matter what the age. Just wrote a children's book called Journey to Paradise. And those paintings there, I had a artist paint every page of that book, a kid's book. And it's good for the adults too. So, and just know I'm connected with all that is, and I'm here to be able to serve you and help all of you become the greatest.
Wow. Well, thank you very much. It was a pleasure to have you on the show, Dr. Hank, and we'll be in touch.
Well, that's great. Thank you, Pedro. And all of you out there, know that you can be, do, and have what you want, and your dreams can come true. Love you all. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.